You certainly did, Beansy. Oh, hey look, it's our friends. Hiya, it's your pal ZIPITY ZAP, and this is my son Beansy.
Hi!
Oh,
Hi, Zippity Zap. Hi, Beansy.
hi, Zappy.
Zappy?
I see you both like playing hide and seek, and especially the seek part. So I've created something fun that you both may like to do.
Yeah, we like to play hide and seek, and finding the other person is always fun. Right, Beansy?
Yeah!
What did you create, Zappy?
Well, since it's spooky season, I created a fun Halloween scavenger hunt. Would you like to give it a shot?
A scavenger hunt? Can you remind me what a scavenger hunt is again, Zappy?
Well, a scavenger hunt is a game where you have to find items on a list. In this scavenger hunt, you'll have to find Halloween decorations on this list I created. Here, check it out.
Awesome! Beansy, would you like to go on a Halloween scavenger hunt?
Yeah!
Yeah! Hey kiddos, would you like to do it with us? Great! Okay, Zappy, I'm ready, and I got my boy Beansy here, and all of our friends are home to help us. Okay, I got the list. Hey, I want you guys to hold the list for us. Can you do that? Great. Oh, wow! Check out this list, Beansy. So if I understand correctly, Beansy, our friends at home, and I will have to find a pumpkin, a bat, a Frankenstein, a spider, and Beansy, what's that one?
A ghost!
A ghost? You're right, Beansy. We'd also have to find a monster, a witch hat, and look, we have to find one of our friends. Do you remember his name, Beansy?
Yeah, Oogie Boogie!
Yeah, we have to find the Oogie Boogie. Okay, so we're gonna have to find them all, right, Zappy?
Yes, you got that right, Zippity Zap.
Some items look scary on this list.
Oh, that's okay, Beansy. It's okay to be scared. We all get scared sometimes. Even me. It's good to be cautious, but these items on this list are just decorations. They can't hurt you. I'll tell you what, Beansy, if it gets too scary, we can stop. But hey, I have an idea, and I think it just might help you. Check out this power card of mine. It says, I am brave. Beansy, say it with me. I am brave. One more time. I am brave. How do you feel now, Beansy?
Thanks, Dad. You're right. Decorations can't hurt me. Now if I get a little scared, I can remind myself that I can be brave.
You certainly can, Beansy. Okay, Zappy, I think we're ready to begin the hunt.
Great, let's go.
Okay, a good place to see Halloween decorations is around your very own neighborhood. Plenty of houses decorate for Halloween, so we're checking out this neighborhood to see if we can find items on this list. Okay, friends, Beansy, the first item on this list is a pumpkin. Do you see a pumpkin anywhere that looks like the one on our list?
Oh, wait, I have something else I want to share. When I put this scavenger hunt together, I zapped each item I wanted to include, and I ended up zapping away some colors accidentally.
Oh, it's okay, Zappy. It was only on accident. We'll find everything on this list and restore the decorations to the right color. Okay, do you see a pumpkin? Is this a pumpkin?
No, that's a skeleton.
Oh, is this a pumpkin?
Yeah, that's a pumpkin.
Yeah, zippity zap, that's a pumpkin. But it looks like it's missing its color. What color should that pumpkin be?
Orange.
Yeah, Beansy's right. That pumpkin should be the color orange. And I know just how to restore that color. I'll use the power of my magic imagination band to zap the orange onto the pumpkin. My imagination band is super colorful and it has so many colors on it. See? Okay, here goes. I'm gonna zip, zap, zippity zap. I'm gonna zip, zip, zippity zap. All right, we did it. We found the pumpkin and restored it back to its orange color.
Great job to all of you. Let's go find another.
Okay, so next on the list is a Frankenstein. Do you see a Frankenstein anywhere? Is this a Frankenstein? No. What about this? Nope. This one?
Yes, that's a Frankenstein.
I think you're right, Beansy. but it looks like that Frankenstein doesn't have color. On the list, what color is he?
Green.
Yeah, he's the color green. Well, I think we have to restore his proper color. Go ahead, Beansy. Use your magic imagination band to restore the Frankenstein's color back to green. Yeah! Great job!
You did it! The Frankenstein is back to green.
I think we're ready to search for a ghost now. Come on! Okay, now we have to find this ghost. It looks like he's reading a book. Can you help us find the correct ghost? Huh? What's the matter, Beansy?
I'm scared of ghosts.
Aw, it's okay, Beansy. Do you want a hug?
Yeah.
Oh. How do you feel now, Beansy?
A little better, but I'm still a little scared. I know what to do. I am brave! I am brave! I am brave!
Yeah! You used up power words. Great job. How do you feel now, Beansy?
I feel brave. Now let's find a ghost.
I'm proud of you, Beansy. Let's find the ghost reading the book. Do you see it? Where is it? Is it down here? Is it over there? What about up there?
Yes!
Yeah, he's up there. You're right again. But I think it's missing its color on the book. And the book is supposed to be yellow. Time to restore the color to yellow. I'm gonna zip, zap, zippity zap. I'm gonna zip, zip, zippity zap.
Great job! You found the correct ghost and restored the book to the color yellow. Time to move on to the next item on the list. Let's go!
What do we need to find next, Beansy?
Now we need to find a witch hat.
Yeah! We have to find a witch hat. Do you see any witch hats here? Is that a witch hat?
No, that's a scarecrow hat.
What about this one?
Yes. What's missing is color.
Oh, you're right, Beansy. What color should it be? Do you know, friends? Do you know, Beansy?
Yeah, purple.
Yeah, purple. Go ahead, Beansy. Turn the hat to purple.
Baby that.
Great job! You did it! Now we can move on to the next item on the list.
Okay, it looks like we have to find a bat next. I'm a little scared of bats, but hey, I know. The bat we're looking for is only a decoration, and it can't hurt me. And I know. I am brave. I am brave. I am Zippity Zap, and I am brave.
You feel better now, Dad?
Absolutely, Beansy. All right, let's find a bat. Do you see a bat over there? No. Is a bat over there? No. What about that, Beansy? You think that's a bat? Yeah! Yeah! It's a bat! But I think it's missing its color. On the list, what color is it?
Red.
You're right again, Beansy. It should be the color red. Okay, I'll restore the color. I'm gonna zip, zap, zippity zap. I'm gonna zip, zip, zippity zap.
You're all doing a great job. Only a few items left. Let's get zapping.
Okay, it looks like we have to now find a spider. Do you see a spider anywhere? Is this a spider? Nope. Is this a spider? Let's try again. What about this? Yeah, that's a spider, but it looks like it's missing its color. Do you know what color it's supposed to be?
Black.
You're right again. You're good at this, Beansy, and so are you. Go for it, Beansy. Change it back to its original color.
Baby Zappy black.
That's a zap-tastic job. Let's go find the remaining items on the list.
Oh, it looks like we're trying to find a monster now.
Do you see a monster, Dad?
Yeah, right over there.
But that monster has 3 eyes, Dad. We're looking at a monster that has only 1.
Oh, you're right, Beansy. This is a tough one. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it right there. I think it's there's a big monster.
Oh, wow, you're so good at this, Beansy. You're right, but it's missing its color. What color should it be?
Blue.
Yeah, and blue is one of my favorite colors.
Me too.
Okay, I'll restore the color back to blue. Here goes. I'm gonna zip, zap, zippity zap. I'm gonna zip, zip, zippity zap.
All right, you found the monster and restored it to its blue color. We have one item left. Let's do it.
Oh wow, we are on to our last item. We have to find our friend, the Oogie Boogie. Do you see the Oogie Boogie anywhere? I think I see him. Do you?
I think I see two. What one's the real one?
Can you help us? Great. Which one is the real Oogie Boogie? Well, according to this list, the real Oogie Boogie is the color brown. And I know that he also loves eating candy. Do you see the real one? Yeah, he's the one with a trail of candy ends.
The brown one.
Yeah, you're right, Beansy. And as usual, he was probably eating candy. Hey, Oogie Boogie.
Oh, hi. You found me.
You did it. You've completed the list.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
It sure was. I think now would be a good time to get moving. Would you all like to do a dance break?
Yeah.
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 Let's zap to it. Well, kiddos, we had a lot of fun on our Halloween scavenger hunt. Did you? Yeah, it was a zapping good time. Thanks for doing that, Zappy.
It was my pleasure, and thank you for restoring all the colors.
We're happy to help, Zappy. Well, it's getting late, and I gotta get Beansy to bed. But if you want to join us for more of our adventures, all you gotta do is spell my name in the search bar. That's ZIPITY ZAP. I'm just being silly, and that was way too fast. Let's try again. Let's slow it down. Ready? Z-I-P-I-T-Y and then Z-A-P. Zippity zap! Beansy, would you like to spell your name? He's just being silly, and that was way too fast. Let's try again. Let's slow it down. Ready? B-E-A-N-S-Y. Beansy! What about you, Zappy? Would you like to spell your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Z-A-P-P-Y.
Zappy! Thanks for spending some of your time with us, kiddos. Have fun, be safe, and remember, be brave this Halloween. Bye! Hey, kiddos, don't forget to tell your parents or a grown-up to subscribe.